shit, yo. Y'all mean? My man getting that work.
You know what I'm saying? It's gritty out here, bro. I gotta down do the turbo and the thing together. You feel me?
Hey, bro, 800 horsepower.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's gonna cost you about $1,000 to fuck with me now. All right, it's professional.
That's just an oil.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy, it's Mr. 20 West, and this is supposed to be my birthday extravaganza.
What is this? There it is. Let's go. We need some more shots, though. We need some more shots, though.
Oh, you caught up?
Hold on. Birthday extravaganza right here, and I'm in the car. You can't tell it, but it's definitely raining. So that wide body looks so nice with the wide fairings. I mean, it's special.
It's so fucking strict to go back, man. It's not worth it.
Look at that. Harley. Roadblock, probably a CVO. Harley. Wait, is that a Harley? Hold on, that backlight. That look real familiar. Seen that one before. It could be a Kawasaki, because the back of the end. Harley, special chopper. Custom. Custom, that's okay though. It's okay. Okay. Alright, y'all. Appreciate y'all riding with me to school. That's what it is.
So how you can put it in each hole?
No, don't mind me. Right. Today is engine, guys.
Sir. Alright, so y'all go F1, F2. E1, 2.
So you take them out and put it to the side?
Yeah. These over there, we're gonna have to take everything apart. But we gotta remember where they all go.
What the fuck is this spring
That's what I'm saying. We
thing?
should get a piece of paper. Hopefully some holes. That's how we would know.
So the I is gonna be the left side of this, and the E's are gonna be this side.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
So one goes from that to the back. So
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, they all 1 and 2. God damn it.
All right. So what else?
So this side would be left, and then this side be right. Do you think we can remember that shit?
Yeah.
Wait.
So if we do left side, this would be left.
Yes.
And then this would be right.
Okay, bet.
All right, and then that's how we'll do that.
You want to take the manifolds off? And then
Yeah, take off the manifolds. This is our paper, and this paper doesn't have any other instructions. They got everything numbered though, but this is not how we taking it apart.
12.
I should probably jump in there too, huh? Yeah.
We ain't paying you to stand around, bro.
I'm just the camera. So what I'm doing is we're gonna keep all this, or what the squad doing, we're gonna keep all this to the right side, and we're gonna put this on the left side.
I'm just breaking it loose.
But basically, we taking all of this shit apart
shit,
so, to it look like that. It's gotta look like that.
It's a different one. This is probably 11. Hey, get 11. 11 millimeter.
11.
Thing is, I
That's
don't
a
think.
$2 for the night.
Oh, we already seen this shit back together.
Oh, so this boat is different. Oh, you can tell. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at this.
They got
and look at
different
that.
numbers on them. See, 11, 12. It's weird, bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, that's why we
That's
gotta
how
put
you can tell that that's a class error right there. Somebody put this motor together. They just grabbed this boat. Look how it's at the side. It's not supposed to be like that.
Is it 8 or 10? No, this is the wrong
That's
one.
definitely not
That's
the
what I'm
boat for that.
saying, bro. It's the wrong one.
Look how it got the sides.
Because these are all, they all say 12 on them. Look, this one says an 8.
What size is this?
12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12.
That's whatever this one. What you got
That's
on
a
there?
10.
That's a 10.
You got the 3/4. The 3/8 real soft. Yeah, we got the 3/8. No, this is too small. I need that 3/8.
That's the one he used.
Yeah, it's only one.
Yeah, it's only one. One per toolbox. Yeah. This shit wasn't gonna work anyway, because this shit here would throw off everything.
I mean, either way, these bitches ain't gonna start either way. So, I mean, it's not like getting out.
I mean, and we seized up already. This doesn't spin, so your car ain't going nowhere any fucking way.
I was like, it ain't gonna hurt you even more.
Yeah,
It's already fucked. But we know that it's wrong. So that's the good thing.
We should took off this big shit too.
Intake manifold?
Hey, no. That is not a cover.
This is not a cover?
That's not a cover.
This is actually in the mold.
That's the cam. That's the head.
That's the cover.
That's the cover.
Oh.
It's a Honda.
So do this.
I'm about to take off this.
That's an intake manifold.
Yeah.
So now what you want to do is spin it and take the pan off.
Okay.
This panel.
You can keep going with the distributor. That's fine.
Yeah, I'm getting the distributor off.
Oh, okay. So we would.
Yeah, just tighten this.
We fucking up our. Well, we
Yeah,
gotta
messing up.
retort second now.
Well, just tighten this shit here, so when we spin it around, it don't fall out.
Exactly.
And it gotta be extra tight, just on there enough. Oh shit, we're losing boat.
Just hand tight.
This distributor cap right here.
Alright guys, I come back. We already done messed up. We should have went to the oil.
It's all good, bro. That's why we learning. That's why we here.
Players fuck up too.
Exactly. Oh shit, yo, y'all mean? My man getting that work.
You know what I'm saying? It's gritty out here, bro.
Yes, sir.
I gotta down do the turbo and the thing together. You feel me?
Hey, bro, 800 horsepower.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's gonna cost you about $1,000 to fuck with me now. Alright, it's professional.
That's just an oil change.
Professionally killing this shit. That's what I'm doing.
That's just the oil change.
Appreciate that, my guy.
Of course.
Look like a wedge. And now I can get the bolt undone.
Oh, so it doesn't spin.
There you go.
Sheesh.
Very nice.
Yeah, I was quick taking off this oil pan. It had a lot of bolts in
So
it.
now that'll be loose. Also, let me double check this one. When you go to take this crank pulley off, there's a little keyway in there. It's a little square peg. Here, let me show you guys. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, that can stay there. So this will just slide off. Sometimes you need a special puller. This one is not that. So see that little square peg?
Oh.
This on some of them comes out very easily.
Be careful.
And you can
Pay attention to it.
Oh, and it
Yes.
go right back in too.
Not, so
Right.
you know where it goes. Okay. Okay, bro.
All right, back over here, guys. All right. Yeah.
That's both.
We're gonna need that for later on down the road.
He just helped them out. He really helped. They needed it. That's all that is.
got me, fuck.
That's that.
He just told us about this shit. So there's a little thing right here, and that's what guides this wheel on. Alright?
Well, we done lost the ball already.
That ain't us.
You ain't?
I don't know he ain't dropped it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
There we go.
There you go.
Trying to keep my finger on this, really trying to come
Yeah.
out. What a napkin?
Oh, I already got the napkin with the oil pan. That's the oil pan one. Let me get some more napkins. Alright, so we knee deep in it, bro. We using napkins to organize it, right? Oh yeah, bro.
There are none. They're all gone.
What? The bag? Oh yeah. Yeah, we're just using napkins at this
He's
point.
gonna take the whole roll, bro, before they get to him.
Bro, it's automatic. It's one of the ones where you gotta stick your hand in there.
You're gonna be there all day.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Just
You gotta put something in right here,
Yes, sir.
and then break that shit.
He said put another ratchet in.
Man, snaps.
This is why they don't let you in the back in the dealership, because they out there doing this shit.
Man.
But as long as the shit get done, that's what you need to worry about. It's finished.
So, but we gonna put that motherfucker right there. So whatever you got closest to you, shoot that motherfucker. It's all metal. We be alright.
If it works, you know it works.
We be alright. It's all metal,
Exactly, bro.
fuck.
If it works, it
Exactly.
works.
I told you my breaker bar is my motherfucking my jack motherfucking handle, bro.
Alright, y'all, I'll be back. We're getting further in this motherfucker,
Put
though.
that bitch on the end of this.
The bolts are different lengths, long on the inside, short on the outside. These followers have to go back exactly where they're supposed to be.
Got a question. What about this one right here?
What about what?
That's definitely not supposed to go in there. But
I don't
it's just
know.
part of it. It's part of it.
Okay, that's.
Well, you just gotta get to work.
Maybe they broke one, and
There you go.
Replace
Try to
it.
replace it. Yeah.
so there's a couple things going on. Notice how you've got the E, that's the exhaust side. You've got an EX somewhere on this cam for exhaust. You've got IN over here for intake. Another thing, the intake manifold or the intake cam has a notch there for the distributor.
Oh, I see it.
Exhaust will just be smooth.
Oh.
Jeez. Okay. Okay.
Alright, that's good. Start.
So we took this cover off. So put the cover on before you put these back up.
That'll make it interesting going back together. We'll see what we can do.
Alright, I'll be back in.
So give me.
Alright, so y'all see where we at right now.
That far.
I already got the crank set up there. Took off all of these things here. Oh no!
What's up? Bro, they numbered this shit. We good. They numbered this shit, folks. We good.
Which one is which though?
It don't matter because they got E on there and
Okay.
we good.
Why you sweating, bro?
Cause we gotta put this shit back together. That's what I
You know the
meant.
labels,
I
you know
don't
what I'm
want no
saying?
crazy goddamn. I want to put this shit back just as easy as we taking it apart. I wonder why he said this was the hardest part. This is not the hardest part. Putting the bitch back together. That's the hardest part, man.
Taking it apart is just the easy part.
That's how far we are in this thing now. Alright, y'all missed the flywheel shit. Don't worry about that, but we're here.
Fucking shit, dog.
All day, baby.
This is the oil pump right here. This is the seal point.
I'm saying, ain't someone really doing some shit, though? About the LS swaps.
Come on.
What up? What up?
What we're looking at is just the pistons right now. So we're trying to get the pistons out.
Because that's how you damage an engine. So now what we can do is, let's let gravity work for us. So I'll push this down. Put the handle right there.
Oh my God. Come on, guys.
He hit it 2 times. He hit it 1 fucking time.
Damn, it just came right out.
See? See?
All this is I've done this longer than you. That's all it is.
You got the bearing?
So don't beat yourself.
Is it in here?
Nah, I got. Is the bearing in there? No. No, we didn't have no bearing. Yes, it is. That's the bearing right there. It's in it already.
It's already in it. Oh.
Yeah.
My fault, G, my fault.
Come on now, man.
Put the, now that that's out,
There we go.
That way we keep it. Let's put that back in there. Without the pistons, guys. You just see the crankshaft in there.
Trying to pull out 800 out of this crankshaft.
It is what it is, you know. Just knocking things out, killing it. Just feeling like it's supposed to look like it. This is a well organized one.
That's something we're getting to. Anybody catch that new Dave Chappelle stand up?
No.
We took out all the pistons. I know it's a little loud, but we took out all the pistons. What is this? What is this?
That's the oil pump.
It's the oil pump? Okay. The oil pump right here. This is what it looks like. Right now we're taking out the crankshaft. So tonight you've seen a disassembly of this engine. And then tomorrow, right? Tomorrow we're putting it back.
no, tomorrow is the start of measurements.
Oh, we're measuring everything tomorrow.
Yeah, Big J Dub said we got the measures tomorrow.
Before you put it back.
Yeah, y'all ready for the micrometer?
Put it right here. The micrometer.
Give me a crank.
Stand them up with that left hand, where your left hand is, stand them straight up.
So remember that you're having fun right now, but when we go to electrical, that'll all stop.
Yes, he will.
Yeah, we going breaks next. Good luck in
Your
electric.
fun stops with Mr. Sanchez. Well, no, you'll have Mr. Reduce, it'll be all right.
Get the loop.
Measuring it all.
Sanchez is a
Oh,
little
you supposed to lick that.
It's got any sleeves in
If
it?
it's sweet, then it's good.
No sleeves. But this is what it
John,
look
I
like.
told you
This
you're supposed to
is
lick
the
that,
engine.
and that's how you can tell if it's bad.
Engine block.
So here's the deal.
Crazy.
With this block, you've got this code right here. So between this code and then there's another set of code on the crankshaft. You're supposed to be able to figure out what bearings go where. The problem is they don't want to order a brand new set of bearings, and the color code on the edge is gone on these bearings because they're so old. So we could sit here and monkey fuck with this all day long for about a week and never get it back right.
Jeez.
So we'll just change how we put it back together with the final torque specs. We'll figure out which one's sticking, and then we'll leave that one to the initial torque so it'll still spin so that we can do the timing belt correctly.
Yes, sir. All right, guys. Go ahead, hit that like button. Go ahead, subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, get at the kid.
Yeah, pretty much.
All right, y'all. Here we go. What up, gang? Second night, night 2. I'm in class. Well, I'm in the cut without actually being in the cut. Nah, I'm just messing with you. So I know I don't put this all together. Like I said, this is day 2. We're supposed to be measuring out. I think we're gonna end up measuring these underneath where the piston goes. So you're probably wondering, probably wondering why would you measure that? And you would measure that because let's say your piston messed up, right? You wouldn't know, but your piston over time is doing all this work, right? In your motor, it might start messing up the insides of it, and then boom, break. So then this inside is basically effed up, and the only way you'll know is if you measure it. So definitely measure it. I gotta pull this out. So let me figure out where this bad boy go. Alright gang, like I said, second night, y'all know what it is. I told y'all earlier we're doing measurements. So my guy got the what is it called? Micrometer right now. And he's getting the numbers, which we got all the numbers. Well, we're doing 6. We're doing 6 in the front and 6 in the back. So let me explain to you what 6 in the front and 6 in the back is. So 6, we do 3 here in front and then 3 behind it. 3 here, front, back, back. So you keep doing that so you can see if it's out around in the front, out around in the back, and then taper. You don't want taper, you don't want that. So that's why you do it, you measure it that many times. It might sound a little crazy, and you might just say, bruh, that might be a little overkill, but it's not when it's dealing with your engine, right? You want to make sure that the pistons and the bore is good, because when you in that car, you step on that gas, you want it to shake that ass. You know what I'm saying? You want to get in there. So, all right, I'll be right back, guys. All right, so class is just about over. We're about to start putting the tools up or whatever, but this thing here, I got it down pat, man. I understand it completely. It wasn't that hard to get, but it was cool. This right here is a good gauge. It does the same thing, but easier, right? So
It don't close.
and we was using the T gauges in there to measure that. So all right, guys. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe.